Verifying your bank account is an important process to ensure security and access to your financial services. Follow these steps to complete the verification. Step 1. Gather required information. Collect all necessary information such as your bank account number, routing number, and any identification documents that may be required for verification. Step 2. Access the verification platform. Log into the platform or service where you need to verify your bank account. This could be a financial app, online banking site, or payment service. Step 3. Navigate to the verification section. Look for the section dedicated to bank account verification. This is often found under account settings, payment methods, or security settings. Step 4. Enter your bank details. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Review the information you have entered for accuracy, then submit your verification request. You may receive a confirmation email or notification once the verification is complete. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be verified, allowing you to use it for transactions and services.